What's happening, y'all? Friendly neighborhood Walter Gray here. Today I want to talk about how to advertise dropshipping. Why? Because if you ain't advertising well, then you ain't going nowhere. You're dead in the water, my friend. Now think about this. For every $1 spent on Google Ads, you can expect an $8 return on investment. Now imagine if you scale it up. Put in 1,000 or a couple thousand to Google Ads over the course of months, and you could be looking at upwards of $16,000. If we look at Facebook ads, you could be making up to $20K on that amount of money. With Instagram ads, it could be from $12K to $16K. With TikTok, it's a bit less, something around $10 to $15K, but that's still money in the bank. And listen, that's only if we're talking about money that you can make flipping burgers or washing dishes. Once you start getting money back from e-commerce, you can make numbers that blow all of that out of the water. The only problem is that the whole thing is a can of worms. There's a lot that you got to figure out for yourself if you want to make paid ads work and not feel like you're just throwing money down a well. First off, for each platform, you have to think about the specifics of that platform and how that affects the way you're going to write and design your ads. Google is intent driven, so you need to tightly craft your ads so that they match what people are searching for. Mixing that with the language of your landing page and brand takes a lot of thought and attention to detail. Facebook is all about audience capture. Getting your material to the right interest groups, that means. Things that generally work well on Facebook are bold visuals or short attention grabbing videos. With videos, you gotta master the art of hooking your audience and then creating an emotional response attached to your product or brand. With Instagram, visuals and snappy videos are keen, of course, and TikTok is a lot of the same. Short form snappy videos are a real art that takes a lot of trial and error and banging out reps in order to start getting a hang of it. So it's kind of scary to start shelling money out to promote your ad content, especially in the beginning when you're not sure of its effectiveness. Point is, you have to figure out what works for each different platform. You have to tailor different advertising material for each one, and it takes a lot of studying, grinding out material and all that, and it takes a lot of time and effort, man. It's taken me a long time to figure out cross-platform advertising, and honestly, I'm still figuring stuff out today. Like if we talk about TikTok and Instagram Reels, they're super nifty, right? Because everything's organic. If you can figure out how to make good ad videos, and if it's good stuff, then the algorithm promotes it for you for free. But the issue is you have to make it seem like it's not an ad or it won't perform well. And also, you can get banned if TikTok suspects you of being a spam account. It took me about a year to figure out the nuances and start seeing results, but that's kind of the issue, isn't it? Each platform is going to have a whole slew of nuances that affect whether or not your ads are going to perform. It's a lot to take on, man. Pretty early on, I started using Sellvia. They've got a ton of services that help you with marketing as well as dropshipping and e-commerce in general. With marketing, they have a whole team of professionals who have a strong mastery of how to advertise across platforms. And honestly, you're making close to the same returns on what you spend on ads, but without the risk of wasting money. Basically, you get the same bang for your buck without the hassle. I mean, I've taken time to figure all this stuff on my own, just because I'm kind of a freak for figuring stuff out. But I still use Sellvia to this day. I love keeping busy. Besides e-commerce, I'm into marketing as well as journalism, academics. I like keeping a lot on my plate. And Sellvia is perfect in that regards, because there's a lot that you can have them do for you, which leaves your hands free for other things. Sellvia is also good for beginners for that very same reason. They just recently, in the past couple of months, released an AI-powered advertising service, Sellvia Ads. Everyone I've asked has said it's making them solid money, and it's all hands-free. If you start your free trial of Sellvia, you also get 3 days free of their ad service. That's a pretty good deal, man. I'll leave the link below. Anyway, those are my thoughts for the day. If you got any ideas or questions, write them down in the comments below. Get our engagement up, will ya? And hit that noti bell, like, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.